What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how you can grow gorgeous, perfect carrots in heavier soil, shallow raised beds, and in containers. Have you ever looked at how big carrots are that we buy in the grocery stores? They're often 10 to 12 inches long, maybe longer, as are most varieties of carrots out there, and those can be very difficult for most gardeners to grow. That's because carrots hate any type of soil resistance. So if you're growing in single stacked raised beds that are only 7 inches tall like I am, or you want to grow your carrots in containers, or you are growing your carrots in ground but you have a naturally heavier soil type, you could wind up with having carrots that are kinked or deformed because the soil is too resistant and not light and loamy enough, and you get those ugly deformed carrots. Well, you can largely get around this problem by growing half-long varieties of carrots. These are carrots that are specifically bred to be shorter and stubbier so they can grow in heavier soil, in shorter raised beds, or in containers. For example, this variety of carrot right here grows to be only 7 to 8 inches long. So because of that, they are perfect for growing in shallower raised beds, in heavier soil, or in containers. This raised garden bed right here only has about 7 inches of soil in it, so it would be almost impossible to grow full depth carrots in it. So I'm growing a lot of these shorter, stubbier varieties of carrots. Let's see what kind of, ooh, look at that one right there. Is that just not a gorgeous carrot? Let's try this one. Whoa! These are just monsters, just beautiful. This is the type of production that you can get when growing carrots in a short raised bed such as this. So don't let anybody tell you that you can't grow beautiful carrots if you have heavier soil, or if you don't have really deep raised beds, or if you want to grow them in containers. Variety selection allows you to grow these shorter varieties that will function absolutely beautiful in tougher conditions. To make things easier for you, I will drop some links down in the video description to certain varieties of shorter carrots that may work well for you if these conditions describe your conditions. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.